Namaskar. My name is Taresh Bhatia and I'm going to take you through 10 questions. 10 questions which will answer simply whether you need a financial planner, maybe like me or not. My friends, my clients have always asked me, and people have always wondered, what does a financial planner do? Why do you need a financial planner? When do you need a financial planner? How do you know that your financial goals and all your investments are in line with your goals? So let's take the test. It's available on our website www.advantagefp.in. So 10 questions which I'm going to ask you now, right now, to tell you whether you are financially well planned or not. At the end, you can answer these 10 questions and contact me. Contact me at 919810144683 or email me at taresh@advantagefp.in or visit our website advantagefp.in. So let's take the 10 questions, paper on the go, and let's answer the 10 questions right now. First, do you think that during your last earning lifetime, current lifetime, all your financial goals were always made in line with your savings, investments, returns, and time horizon method? No? Next, do you think that you've always kept track of all your expenses in line with your savings and income? So your income less your expenses gives you the savings. As Warren Buffett said, save first, then spend. Are you? Next, are you aware of your total assets, your total liabilities, and that gives you an amount to calculate your current net asset worth, the cash flows of the month, the year, and the years to come ahead, and therefore your resources available? Have you done this? Next, do you think that you're able to calculate the right amount of life insurance cover, the life insurance cover that is required for yourself, maybe your earning member, spouse, and have you been able to purchase it at the right place, right price, and are you adequately covered till the right appropriate age? So I'm not talking about your health insurance cover, your accident or critical illness cover, that are essential, but have you looked at your life insurance cover adequately? Next, do you think that you're able to calculate the right amount of future retirement fund which you would need at your appropriate retiring age, and whether this future monthly expense has been calculated which would be required for yourself and your spouse, and have you been able to make adequate provisions for this goal? Next, do you think that you have put the right amount in a separate contingency fund, an amount which is only for emergencies and which is at the right place, which is safe, liquid, gets you good returns, maybe gets you tax-free money also? Next, do you think that you are fully aware of all your investments, always, currently, always been done or linked or made as per your financial goals? So I'm talking about your investments being done with your goals, in line with your time horizon, in line with your risk appetite. Next, so what is this risk appetite I just talked about? The risk appetite is that have you initiated a professional financial risk profiling exercise which would give you the results to indicate what level of fitness regime do you need to follow to ensure that all your financial goals are being met within your resources. So I'm talking about an asset allocation which is done through this psychometric analysis of money, an independent risk profiling test which tells you how much risk on a scale of 100 can you take. If you are at 30, so maybe you are conservative. If you are at 70, you need to be aggressive. But who tells you this? The risk profiling test tells you this, so that you don't do conservative or aggressive investments on your own thoughts or based on your financial planner's thoughts, but it's based on a risk profiling, professionally done assessment test. If not, contact me. Next, have you been rebalancing and reassessing all your investments to be tuned up with the financial times, especially the turbulent times? And have your investments been growing within the parameters of your goals, the time horizon, the risk appetite I just talked about, and within your resources? Last question. So, you have a will in place? No, you need to have a will. So my question is that your nominee or your spouse knows about your will. Have you ensured that your estate, or let me say simply, your life's hard-earned money goes to the rightful beneficiaries? The will does that. So have you made a will? So my friends, these are my 10 questions. If your score is above 5, that you agree that you have not done all these 10 points, you need to speak to me. 98-101-44683 in India. And you can send me an email, taresh@advantagefp.in, or visit our website, advantagefp.in. So those are my 10 questions, my friend. And you need to answer them rightly, or undertake the test with us. The risk profiling test is a separate test, which is an independent professional body which undertakes this test for a fee. I, Taresh Bhatia, founder, partner at Advantage Financial Planners LLP, am professionally qualified to advise you on your financial goals and how do you achieve them, given these parameters like the 10 questions I just asked you. So let's meet up, let's discuss, let's understand, and you make your investments in line with your financial goals, in line with your risk profile, in line with your time horizons. Each of your investment should be linked to a time horizon, should be linked to a goal. Then I call yourself financially fit. Financially fit. Are you financially fit? That's what you need to consider. If not, that's where you speak to me. So this is Taresh Bhatia. Cheerio. Bye. Thank you. All the best.